In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create concrete wear and tear look only by using the node editor. We need to create a ground mesh that will also serve as the light bouncing wall. We can select this edge and extrude it on the Z-axis, Y-axis and bring it down like this. Select these edges, Ctrl+B to bevel and use the mouse wheel to add more details. We need a new light source and that light source needs to match the HDRI's sun location. There is the sun. We can go to the node editor and rotate the HDRI's sun by adding texture coordinate and mapping nodes. Click the light plane and press Ctrl numpad 0 to look through the plane. Press Shift to navigate by using the mouse and keyboard's WASD keys. It's upside down, but that doesn't matter. Select the camera and press Ctrl numpad 0 to give the numpad 0 control back to camera. We need noise texture node, 2 math nodes and displacement node. Please match my settings. Select displacement and bump. We can add more subdivisions to the mesh like this. If we add more subdivisions, we'll see less low polygon distortions. We need to do the rest of the usual render setup with filmic curves, denoise and 128 samples. We can change the minimum settings to change the overall look of the texture. Please set this setting to bump only. Please put the value back to 0.4 and render the scene. This setting can be used to simulate the concrete wear and tear for a default cube with the lowest polygon count. This is the end of the concrete wear and tear tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.